And hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to use MSRT tool on Windows 10 to remove malicious programs. So go to this link that I will post and Windows malicious software removal tool 64-bit. So this is for 64-bit systems. So how to see if it's 64 or 32, go to right click and properties, and here you can see system type 64-bit. Okay, so we're ready to go, and go download. And now what you're going to do is just wait. So it's gonna download. 8 seconds left. Maybe I will shorten this, but I don't think I will because it's fast. And click open. And if it asks to allow this app to make changes, just click yes. Okay, and wait. So here and here click next, and here you can see quick scan, full scan, and etc. So go quick scan. Okay, and now it's scanning. It's gonna be fast, so you can do full scan, fast scan, and custom scan, but I'm just gonna do fast scan so you can guys see. So what this does is scanning your PC, so you can see if it has malware or not, and it's very useful. So yeah, I'm gonna skip when it's done. So yeah, and non-malicious software was detected. View detailed. So results, and here you can scroll, and yeah, you can see. And this tool is not replacement for an antivirus, so for more information, see protect your PC, and yeah, you can click here, and yeah, they will show you other things, and click finish. And yeah guys, that is it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one. Subscribe, like, and comment down below. Bye.